Question number 7. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 cm to 14 cm as air is pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon in two cases. Initial radius is equal to 7 cm. Final radius equal to 14 cm. Find the ratio of surface areas. Ratio of surface areas equal to initial surface area upon final surface area, that is equal to 4 pi r1 square upon 4 pi r2 square. R1 and R2, that is equal to 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 divided by 4 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. Pi by 7 cancel, 4 is cancel, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, which implies 1 upon 2 2s are 4. So ratio is equal to 1 ratio 4. Answer. Initial radius of a spherical balloon, that is R1. R1 is equal to 7 cm and R2 final radius is equal to R2 14 cm. And ratio of surface areas, that is equal to initial surface area divided by final surface area. Initial surface area equal to 4 pi r1 square upon 4 pi r2 square. 4 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r1 is 7 into 7 divided by 4 into 22 upon 7 multiply by 14 into 14. 4 is cancelled and 22 upon 7, 22 upon 7 is cancelled. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, which implies 1 upon 2 multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4. So required ratio is equal to 1 ratio 4. Answer. Question number 8. A sphere and cube have the same surface. Show that the ratio of the volume of the sphere to that of the cube. Root 6 ratio root pi. Let R be the radius of sphere and A V the side of a cube. Surface area of sphere equal to surface area of cube. 4 pi r square equal to 6 into side square, which implies a square equal to 4 pi r square upon 6. A is equal to under root of 4 pi r square upon 6, which implies A is equal to 2r under root pi upon 6. Its side of a cube. V1 upon V2. V1 is volume of sphere, that is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, divided by V2 is a cube, that is a cube, which implies 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon a cube, that is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 r raised to power 3 into pi upon 6 and under root pi upon 6. Multiply by 3, that is pi upon 6 into root pi upon 6. R cube is cancelled and pi is cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Two 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 3 is cancelled. So V1 ratio V2 is equal to reciprocal of root pi upon 6. This is cancelled and we get root 6 upon root pi, which implies V1 ratio V2 is equal to root 6 ratio root pi. Answer. Let R be the radius of a sphere and A be the side of a cube. Surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square and surface area of cube is 6 a square, 6 into side square. A square equal to 4 pi r square upon 6 and A is equal to under root 4 pi r square divided by 6, that is equal to root 4, that is 2, r square taking common r and in bracket pi upon 6. A is equal to 2r root pi upon 6 and volume first, that is volume of sphere divided by V2 volume of cube. volume of cube, that is side q, and volume of sphere 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube, a cube, that is 8 into 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8 into r cube. R cube is cancelled, and 4 2 are 8, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 3 3 is also cancelled, and we get under root pi upon 6, 1 upon root pi upon 6. So b1 ratio b2, that is reciprocal of root pi upon 6, that is root 6 divided by root pi, and b1 ratio b2 is equal to root 6 ratio root pi. Answer. Thank you.